Hello and welcome to this video. Today, I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to remove a subscriber in MailerLite. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log into your account. First, click on the Subscribers tab. You'll see a list of subscribers. Click on the subscriber you want to remove. Then, click on the Action button and a drop-down menu will appear. Select the Delete option to remove the subscriber. Once you click Delete, the contact will be removed successfully, and that's how you remove a subscriber from MailerLite. Before we finish up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.